So now let's jump into the index page and quickly start using the rebase. So I'm going to just bring the base in a component did mount. I am going to use base dot get, and we're trying to get all the blogs, and from there we need to pass an object. The context is this, and we need IDs, of course, true. And I think we're going to add a query as well. Query will have a ref, and our ref will have ref dot order by created at desk. And if you want to have a limit, we can just add limit here. So at the moment we don't need any limit. I'm going to get rid of it for now. And then after that one, we will have then. Now we return blogs. When we have blogs, we need to be able to do things with our blog. And then we will have our catch. And if there is an error, we're just going to show the error. So console.log, there was an error in fetching blocks, and there will be our error. If I need to backticks, so now that we have that one, I'm going to just, when we have the block here, we can just set the state. Very simple. We can say this dot set state blocks. And I think that's it for here. We don't need to wait for any listening for any changes, so we can get rid of this one easily. And also I can get rid of this one. We don't need this one anymore. We can just have the reference here, this.ref, and then in component will on mount we can say base. We can say base dot remove binding this.ref. So we remove the binding. Basically, coming back here, we are telling rebase to go and get every documents in this collection, and then we are just writing a query around those documents. We just order them by created at descending, so we're just showing the most recent one on the top, and then if there is something, we're going to pass them in a state, otherwise there will be an error, so we're going to show them, and then nothing there. And coming back here, we don't need blog listener anymore. As you can see, we don't need any of these things in our code. I can get rid of these things as well. And then let's have a look where we're using Firestore. So we are not using Firestore anywhere. So we can get rid of this one as well. And I am going to homepage, and everything works as before. But now our code is much tidier and we have less code to be worried about. There we go, that's what we have. I think this is the other way around, so I'm just going to paste it here and use well, it's our home page. Probably we don't need anything. I'm just going to get rid of this bit.